Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sync beats with your photos on CapCut PC. Select your audio here. Go to this section, mark beats. You can either select beats 1 or beats 2. There's more beats on beats 2. I'll just select beats 1. You can also add them manually using this, but I like the automatic one. Let's zoom in a little bit, and we're just going to make it so all of our photos are within the beats here. I can't unfortunately play the music, but you're just going to do that with all of your photos. These are just random photos. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.